I scored 94 in accounts in class 12 CBSE and still lost marks for the silliest reasons. If you think studying more automatically gives more marks, this video can save your 10 to 15 marks. In this video, I will show you how accounts actually works for boards and how you can turn the same syllabus into 95 plus or even 100. But before that, let me tell you exactly what you will learn in this video. So, this is the complete video blueprint that you will learn in this video. Accounts is one of the most important subjects in commerce. It decides your percentage, your confidence, and sometimes even your future options. I scored 94 and today I want to share exactly what worked for me. Part number 1, who helped me to score 94. First, let me be very honest. I didn't do this alone. Some amazing teachers on YouTube helped me understand accounts. Teachers who helped me most were Sunil Panda sir, Rajat Arora, C.A. Parag Gupta. If I have to name one person who made accounts logical and clear for me, it's C.A. Parag Gupta. His way of explaining concepts, adjustments, and logic completely changed how I looked at accounts. But here's something very important. Lectures alone are not enough. Watching lectures alone will not get you 95 or 100. Accounts is not a subject you can learn by just listening. You have to practice questions with your own pen. The most important rule for this subject is if you understand the chapter but you can't solve the questions, you don't actually know the chapter. Lectures give you clarity, practice give you marks. Now let's talk about the books. You can choose any one book that suits you. T.S. Kribal, D.K. Goyal or even NCERT. The book doesn't matter as much as this rule. Don't switch between 2 or 3 books. One book revised properly is far better than 3 books half done. This one mistake alone confuses students and wastes a lot of time. Book wise strategy. Now listen carefully, this part is very important. Out of all the 3 books, partnership, company, financial, partnership accounts need the most time. Adjustments, revaluation, admission, retirement, this unit decides a big chunk of your marks. Financial statements are also very important and scoring. Company accounts are actually the easiest once you understand the format. So give maximum of your time to partnership financial, but don't ignore company accounts. I want to share my biggest mistake in accountancy exam. After my exam, when I was checking my paper, I realized I was not able to properly correct one 6-marker question. That question was from admission of a partner. And honestly, I feel most of the marks I lost were from that one question. That's why I'm telling you very clearly, admission and retirement are not chapters to take lightly. One weak 6-marker can drop your score badly, like mine. Now listen carefully, time management in accounts is non-negotiable. Accounts is not just about solving questions, it's about solving them within time. If you get stuck on one long question, you silently lose marks in 3 others. That's why solving sample papers, PYQs in a time limit is extremely important. Good preparation plus poor time management can still pull your score down. Most common mistakes in accounts paper: no working notes, wrong format or headings, missing narration, not boxing final answers, rushing through 6 markers. Scoring high in accounts is not about luck, it's about right teachers, one good book, regular practice, PYQs, and sample papers. I scored 94 by following this system. If you apply it properly, 95 plus or even 100 is completely possible. If this video gives you clarity, please hit the like button and subscribe because I will be sharing most important videos. All the best.